Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya, and today we are going to discuss a small trick to solve your integrals in FEA, FEM methods, the non-weak form. So we are quite familiar with these kind of equations which you get with the integral, and there are two unknowns, C2 and C3. So what we can do is first we can simplify this to integral 0 to 1 x square minus x 7 minus 2x C2 will be a constant plus C3 will be a constant 0 to 1 integral x square minus x 1 plus 18x minus 3x square. This will be my second term, and third term will be integral 0 to 1 7x square minus x 7x is equal to 0. So what these three terms will give me, something into C2 plus something into C3 is equal to some constant, and we need that to solve simultaneously. So how to solve this? Don't multiply these things. A trick will be, we will be doing this in a calculator. So I have 911 ms here. If you have higher versions, that is 911 es and higher versions, you can directly get the integration sign and lower limit and upper limit. But for ms, that feature is not available. So for ms, you need to understand a syntax for integration. So integration syntax is very simple. You need to give the integration symbol, then there will be a function, comma, lower limit, comma, upper limit, and close bracket. Okay, so this we will follow for 911 ms. Es you can do it very easily. So I am just writing one function here, integration symbol. I am using this x square, so I am using one more bracket for that. Shift and x is my variable, square minus shift x, first bracket complete, into 7 minus 2x bracket complete. This is my function. Okay, first bracket is for the integration bracket, this one, so we will be closing it at the end. Okay, so I have a function now. Okay, if it is better to include multiplication sign for ms, so 7 minus 2 x bracket complete, then I will use comma, and then I will go for the lower integral. Lower limit is 0, comma, upper limit is 1, and then I will complete the final bracket. So we are just following this. The first is a function, lower limit, upper limit, and brackets. If I solve this, you will get a direct value, that is minus 1. So you can just substitute this as minus 1 here. Then we will try to solve this. Integration, bracket open, that will be x square minus x bracket complete into bracket open. I will go for 1 plus 18x plus minus 3x square, that will do my function. So x square minus x, 1 plus 18x minus 3x square, that is my function, comma, the lower limit is 0, comma, upper limit is 1, and bracket complete. If you solve this, you will get the answer directly for the constant. So it is minus 1.5167. Okay, so you don't need to cross multiply the brackets and then solve. You can directly put a integration into a calculator. Similarly, we will try to solve for the constant also, this one. So integration, I will take a bracket, 7x square minus 7x bracket complete comma 0 comma 1 bracket, and then I will solve it for the last constant value, which is minus 1.66. Yeah, so it is minus, I will be transferring it towards this, so it will be plus 1.666. So I can write 1.1667. Okay, so this is how you can solve integration in calculator. If you have the higher versions of calculator than 911 ms, if you have 911 es, you will directly get the integration sign where you have a lower limit upper limit boxes. You can define a function dx and then you will get a value directly, so that will be easy. This is little bit complicated with 911 ms. So this is how you can solve the integrals in your FEM methods, Galerkin, Petrov-Galerkin, subdomain and all methods. Okay, thank you for joining. If you like the content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel and share a word about channel with your friends. Thank you.